Over 1/3 of Puerto Rican women were sterilized by their own government. Most never knew it happened. The program started in the 1930s. It had a name, La Operación. Doctors performed it in public clinics, in hospitals, in rooms where poor women went for basic care. Women were told the procedure was temporary. Some were told nothing at all. They signed forms they could not read, in a language they did not speak. The US government funded it. Eugenics experts designed it. The goal was to reduce the population of people they considered undesirable. By 1965, Puerto Rico had the highest sterilization rate of any place on Earth. Women who wanted children spent decades not understanding why they could not have them. Congress investigated. Reports were written. No doctor was ever prosecuted. No official ever went to prison. The medical records for thousands of women were never recovered. Some women only learned the truth when they were old. Some never learned it at all. Follow Midnight Whisper. A new dark secret drops tonight at 7.